guys, it's me Harry again. Today I'm going to be opening the hub wired stereo headphones. In the box it has a adapter for an aeroplane, 1.2 meter cable, stereo headset. That's it. Alright, let's do this. I've already cut all the plastic just to make it easier. So in the box, I'll get to the headphones last. In the bottom half of the box, we had the adapter for the aeroplane. You plug your cord into there and then you plug that into aeroplane. Put that there. That is for an amplifier headphone jack. I think that's what they're for. I got one for my amp, but yeah. This is the cord from the headphone to your thing with music on it. 1.2 meters long. And we had the headphones here. They've got really good sound, nice bass, but they seem really rattly and would break easily. I've had them for about a week, but they are pretty good headphones. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you check out all my others. Like, subscribe, comment. Bye.